we're here today with Sketchy Vert, the one and only. His wife Sarah. His name's Jered, just in case you don't know. These guys have been all over 1320 for years, and we're super excited this year to have started working with them on getting a combo kind of lined out. And our goal is to start making a lot of progress on times and stuff like that. But it's just been fun to work with these guys. They, husband and wife, they tour the country. She tunes it, he races it. It's just cool people. So, but this year we switched them to a pair of the 76 cast LS turbos from Precision to go with their Texas Speed 427?
422.
422. But
LSX.
tell them a little bit about the combo, what it's done, where it's been.
So the combo, like you said, it's twin 76s, Precisions, 422 cubic inch by Texas Speed. It's got billet intake. It's got a billet piston and rods. It's got billet crank and yeah, I mean it's got all the bells and whistles like the biggest run. So, and then it's been fastest been is 8.7s.
4,200 pounds.
4,200 pounds of me in it. So yeah, that's the other thing. So Doug here has been helping me try to figure out the suspension. We really did up pretty good last night, and
we're gonna tamer down today.
Yeah,
hopefully go personal best.
Get a personal best today. So yeah, but it's been awesome. Doug's been helping me out. I had an alternator issue, and he came over with one yesterday morning and helped me install it, and that thing was kind of a pain in the butt.
Yeah.
It made the day though.
It made the day though. I got in the 8s again yesterday, so I was pretty happy. Since the car's been down, I haven't been back this year in the 8s, so thanks to Doug, I got in the 8s again. So
yeah, I think we're putting the 7 soon. So
I'm gonna try. Yeah.
But yeah, no, it was nice seeing you guys this weekend. I think it's cool, husband and wife just running it.
Yeah, she
having
does all the
fun.
tuning and everything for me. So.
Learning.
And you guys have your own YouTube channel, right?
Yep.
What is it so people can follow if they don't already?
Sketchy Vert channel, YouTube channel.
Okay.
Oh yeah.